Welcome to technology platform. So today we are going to see Lambda function. So how to use it. We already seen a map function. Now Lambda also we have one of the functions here. How to use it? Let's see. Let me open idle. So normally, how we are using some def functions, right? So def my function. I want to print it something like this. So print reusable function. Hello world. I can say welcome to Python codes like this. I'll say like this. Now I'm just simply calling this my function. It will give the result. Welcome to Python course. But now I don't want to use this def functions everything. I have to achieve by using this lambda. How it is? Let's see. So the lambda is like instead of using def, achieve by using lambda. Now let's see. So the same print I have to use it in lambda. Result equal to, I'll say like lambda and then I'll just simply say like no I'll say like this is the my function. Okay, function name. I'll say like this, and then I will say lambda, and then I will simply print the result. So for that we have to use it colon, right? So colon, and then I will say like print. I just simply copy this, and then I will enter. So that's it. Now let's see this how it works. Now the same thing I have to call here. This will give the same results. Maybe you have doubt something like it may be calling this function something like that. So now let's see this. I'll say like my function one. I'm just saying that my function one. So welcome to Python code. So without using this def functions, we are able to achieve it. Some more example also we can see it, right? Two example. Now I just want to do some addition. We already seen in the map functionality in the earlier. Now say let's see return n plus n. This is normal one, right? And then I will say like lambda add equal to, I will return the same. Lambda is a syntax, and then I will say like instead of colon I need to declare a variable, right? So for that variable I can say like n, and then I have to use it colon n plus n, right? So everything you have to declare here and then start your expressions here. So this is arguments and this is expressions. This is the syntax. So like that you can check it. So for example I will say like lambda arguments expression. So this is the syntax. Now let's see this. I return like this. Now I am calling this function print of add of 2. So this is calling this one 4. Now I am calling lambda function print of lambda add directly, and then passing the value 2 again. Now let's see, you are getting the same results while using this lambda function. So I hope you understand so how to use the lambda. See you in the next class. Bye.